Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Angel Chanel and you've just entered the Glow Experience. Thank you all for viewing. For all of my returning viewers, thank you guys for being so loyal and coming and watching everything that it is that I post here at my channel. And for anybody that is new, thank you guys for stopping by to see what we're all about here at the Glow Experience. But before we get into this video, you already know what I need you to do. I need you to go ahead and click that like button, that subscribe button, and that ring bell button if you haven't already done so that you can be notified every time that I post a video here at my channel. Okay. In today's video, that was so ghetto. Why did I just do that? Like, that's so irritating. I don't even know why I just did it. But anyway, without further ado, within this video, in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I bleach my knots on my wigs. And not only that, this is a new technique of how I bleach my knots on my wig, with a frontal wig specifically. And I'm going to show you guys how I pluck my hairline. Okay. Get those baby hairs looking good. You feel me? Yeah, feel me? Yes. Alrighty, guys. So, without further ado, I don't want to take up any more of your time. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Alright, so I did accidentally, you all, delete the clip of when I first started bleaching the knots. So that's kind of why you just see this little clip here replaying. But basically, the only thing that I did is I made sure that my bleach was to like a toothpaste consistency, not too thick and not too runny. And I'm just bleaching the parts of the frontal that I will be doing my parting on. So across the perimeter for the baby hairs, of course, then each of the individual parts, so the middle part and the side parts. Right here, I'm just taking my lace blend, lace blend by the wig dealer. This is in the shade of honey, and I'm just spraying it on that lace to give it more of a simulation of a scalp. This can also be done with like your powder foundation, your concealer, anything. It's basically the same thing except it's in a spray. Right now, I'm just going over it with the blow dryer, and I give it about 2 or 3 coats. It just depends on your shade. You don't want to go too deep or too dark, or too light. Sorry, too dark or too light. Right now, right here, I am going ahead and I'm just sectioning it off. You guys, my technique does not have to be your technique when it comes to plucking your unit. But, however, what I will say is that I pluck this unit a little too much, y'all. Like, I'm still learning what's good and what's not good when it comes to plucking. Like, I probably should have stopped right here, right there, right where it was, but I kept going, y'all. Like, I really kept going, thinking that it wasn't gonna look right, and I should have stopped right there. But practice makes perfect. And basically what you want to do is you just want to part the hairline little by little. Like, you don't want to take out much, but when you do it and you pluck it, like how you guys see how I plucked right there, I should have went back behind the hairline some more, portioned off some more hair, and then plucked it a little more, just to give it more of like how, you know how some people's edge is thin on the side. I should have done that, but I didn't. And yeah, it still turned out cute. I didn't care for it. I ended up going back in at the end, like you guys saw in the intro, how my hairline was and how the baby hairs looked. That's after me going back in and cutting some of that lace off, because I felt that it was too much lace exposed. So I just cut off the lace and then just did a few light baby hairs on the side, and that's how I got the effect that you guys saw in the beginning of the video in my intro. But to each his own. And this right here, you all, is where I say I went back in and I should not have. Instead of plucking in that same portion, you know how I'm taking the end of my rat tail comb and I'm just portioning off hair? I should have done that instead of plucking in that same exact spot. So take that as a lesson. Learn from my mistakes, y'all. Now I'm just going ahead and I am about to begin styling the unit. And what I was going for was like a half up, half down kind of look. You guys will see in one of the last frames, you'll see how it looks when I finish curling it. Basically what I did was a half up, half down with curls at the top, and then I did pin curls in the very back. I also pin curled the top. The curls for the ponytail were pin curled as well. So let's just see how it looks. Just to let you guys know what I used when blow drying this hair, I went ahead and I mixed together, well, I used this right here, the black heat protector, for actual heat protecting when curling the hair, but for blow drying purposes, y'all, I mixed together the blow drying cream from Fructis along with Bio Silk silk serum. That mixed together, those two products mixed together, y'all, surprisingly are magic. Like, it is magic. So go to the store and buy those two products. I know Bio Silk, they don't sell it at every beauty supply, but it is at like Sam's Beauty Warehouse and stuff like that. And then Fructis Garnier blow drying cream, you can buy that from Walgreens. But as you guys see, this is how it looked when I finished curling it. And I love the curls on this hair. Like, this hair feels awesome, everything, y'all. Like, it was so cute. But like I said in the beginning, I didn't really care for the baby hairs and everything. But this hairstyle, you guys will see the picture in the next frame. The internet begged to differ with me, y'all. On Pinterest, I got over 6,000 views, impressions on this picture that you guys are about to see. And like, I just felt like I had just went viral, y'all. Like, I felt so good. But thank you guys for taking time to watch this video. If you are interested in getting a wig made, go ahead and shoot me an email down below, or go ahead and click the link to check my website. Have a great day.